Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had a profitable and smooth trading day today. In today's video, I have got something exciting and crucial for you. How to strategically plan your next trading month, which is November 2024. I will walk you through simple yet effective trading plan, but also finish the month with a solid profit. So get ready to streamline your next month plan and make your November a winning month. So let's get started and jump into the laptop screen. So as you see, I have a Excel sheet presented on my screen, and this is what I have made for my upcoming month plan. So I'm going to explain you step by step how you can use this Excel sheet, and if you would like to download this Excel sheet, please comment down below so I can share you the personalized link for your download. So I'm just going to explain you first what is this Excel sheet and how does it work. So it will be easier for you if you download my sheet. It will be easier for you how you can keep a track of your everyday as well as the rules you have to follow while you trade in next month. So as you see, this sheet is very simple, and as you know, in November we have a 19 trading days. Out of 30 we have Saturday, Sundays and 2 national holidays which I have mentioned over here. So capital we are going to use a 25,000, and this Excel sheet is editable. Once you download the Excel sheet, you can just edit your numbers. So let's consider I am starting my November month with 25,000 capital. You might start with 20,000, you might start with 15, 10 or maybe 30,000, 50,000. So this is completely editable Excel sheet, and there are the formulas each and every cell. So you just have to change your capital and the percentage you want, that's it. And as you see, the 19 days capital I'm using for November month is 25. For you it can be anything, so you just have to change over here. So if you change, you will automatically, the sheet will get updated. So let's go back to my 25,000. Yeah, so these are the dates. So first November is a Diwali Puja, so it's a holiday. So as you see, the first sale is of a date. So 1st November is a Diwali Pujan holiday, so the day is holiday. 2nd November Saturday, 3rd November Sunday, so we have a holiday over there. So our first day of the month starts from 4th of November, that is Monday. That is our day 1. So day 1 is here, and the day 1 our capital will be the 25,000, and I am aiming this month, I aim 2% every day, 25,000 capital. So next month I am aiming for 3% every day on my 25,000 capital. So 3% on 25,000 will be 25,750, and the ideal profit is this minus this. So ideal profit I have to make the on day 1 is a 750, and I'm going to enter, this is the PNL sale. So I'm going to enter, let's consider I got a 900 profit. So I'm just going to enter 900, and the remark, this is a very important column, guys. I would encourage you to write your remarks every day, because this will act as your journal as well. So it's very easy. As soon as you your target hits, let's consider you aim for 3%, 750, and you have done with that 750. So you are just going to close your laptop, and then you are going to access this sheet and just make the remarks, write the PNL, how much you have earned today, and the remarks can be what kind of strategy you have used today, in what indices you have taken the trade today, or if you find anything else which is working for you, which is not working for you, that you can mention over here. So this is going to act as your daily journal. And let's come to the second day, that is the 5th of November and Tuesday, day 2. So on the day 2 my profit will be the day 1 I have made the profit, which is 750 rupees plus the capital I am using. So 25,000 is my original capital, and the profit on day 1 I have made is 750. So 25,000 plus 750 is what I will have. So on that I have to make a 3%, that is 773 rupees. So let's consider I made some 800 rupees, right? So that's what my day 2 is sorted, and I'm just going to close my laptop and go wait for day 3. So day 3 is again 26,523. Yeah, so one more thing. So these are the ideal profit what I have given over here. Instead of that, I will tell you one more thing. If you let's consider ideal profit is here. If you want, you can just make one more column over here, and what your profit every day you are making. Let's consider 900, 800. Let's consider day 3 you made 1,000 rupees, day 4 you made 1,200, day 5 was loss of 450 rupees. So you have to make a write a minus whenever you make a loss for that day. And if you want, you can include these numbers in the initial capital. So let's consider the day 2 I made a 900 profit instead of 750. So I'm going to this G7, you see G7 column over here. So simply you are going to click on the H7. So this is the H and this is the 7. So I'm just going to click on this, and automatically all the numbers will get changed. So what does it mean? It means that whatever profit I am making, I am using that amount in my next day trading as my full capital, right? So let's consider we are on day 3 and we have a capital of 26,523 and the previous day profit was 773. So this will get added automatically. So I have made a formula here. So whatever numbers you enter over here, automatically it will take that profit. And then 3% on this ideally will be this, and so on. So this is how I have made for entire month. And you will see wherever there are the Saturday Sundays, I have marked as a red for your reference. And again we have a second holiday, Guru Nanak Jayanti on 15th. So Saturday, Sunday and Friday is the holiday, and again Saturday, Sunday and Saturday holiday, which is last day of the month. And if you see what your ideal profit I have mentioned over here with the 25,000 capital, so you will earn 18,800 on 25,000. Isn't it a good deal in a month to start with? Why not? Instead of taking so many trades and wasting our money, especially in the option buying, you guys know how much efforts it takes to earn the money than the losing the money. Losing money is very easy in the option buying, but earning money is very difficult. So let us go ahead with this kind of plan, and let's start with something like this, where you are focusing on 2 or 3 daily trades which are very good. You are not entering in any trade. You have your capital with you, you have your ideal profit with you, and that's how you have to work. You should not be a greedy. So let's consider I have a 25,000 capital, and one day, 2 day, 3rd day, 4th day I made a very good ideal profit, or maybe more than that. And from 6th day onward I started feeling very greedy, and I'm trying to get 1,000 rupees, 1,500, 2,000 in a day. So in this, what will happen if you are not going ahead with the plan? Your psychology will change completely, and that's what we don't want. We are planning to build our psychology with this kind of plan. So small steps every day will achieve your long-term goal. So focus on your long-term goal, not on the small or going for a greedy profits. And one more thing you guys can do in this, wherever I have mentioned the ideal profit, you can just mark your actual profit. So let's consider day 1 I achieved 900 rupees. So automatically the next day capital will get updated, and it will show you the ideal profit. So let's consider on day 2 I made 1,000 rupees. So automatically the 3rd day capital will get updated as well as the ideal profit. Likewise, let's consider I earn 1200 rupees. So it will show you the ideal capital and the ideal profit on that capital. So let's consider fourth day I made a loss of 450. So it will deduct that amount and show you the ideal capital, ideal profit. So this is how the sheet will work. I hope you guys have understood, and remarks are very important. This is going to help you a lot in long run. This is nothing but, guys, this is for you to build your risk management and the trading psychology. One more important thing I would like to tell you, you must have seen multiple YouTube videos where they show trade and using 10, 15, 20 lots, and they show you the profit within 2 to 3 minutes. The profit will be somewhere around 20-25,000, right? So guys, you only think, if you are trading, if you are starting your trading with 1 or 2 capital or maximum 3 capitals, and if you divide their profit of 20,000 divided by 10, 15 lots or 20 lots, how much per lot they are making. So the same thing you are also making. If you are a beginner, if you are starting with 1 or 2 lots, so you are also making 400, 300 per lot, right? So that's how they also do. So it's not a big deal. You have to start slowly and build your capital. For 2025 also, I am going to make a video for a trading plan. So how every month you can plan. So I'm going to make for first 6 months. If you are starting with somewhere around 50,000 or 1 lakh, and how you can increase that capital to 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs. So that is I'm going to make a video on. So stay tuned for that. After this Excel sheet, I'm just going to tell you what are the rules which you have to follow while using this trading sheet. So the first rule I have just mentioned over here. So the first rule of trading plan is focus on option buying. So this trading plan which I have made for November month is only for option buying. It's not for option selling. It is not for stocks, or it is not for future. It is only for option buying. Just keep that in mind, because that's how I gave a target and that's how I have arrived at the percentage with respect to capital. Point number 2, trade every day. As I'm repeating multiple times, so this sheet will act as your daily journal. So make sure you are trading every day and filling the sheet after every trading session. Point number 3, limit trades to 2 to 3 per day. As I said, only take a trade 2 to 3, not maximum, not more than that. Because what will happen if you are chasing the profit of 750 and if you are taking 5 trades, all your money is going to go for the brokerage. Maybe more you have to pay from your broker account. So just limit 2 to 3 trade per day. Even if I'm saying 3 is also more, you can just limit to 1 or 2. Point number 4, stop after 2 consecutive losses. If you are facing your losses consecutively, just stop your trade. Just shut your laptop, system, mobile, whatever you use, and just go out, read something or do something. But don't try to take the 4th trade in that day. One more important thing is, if you know on your screen there is a loss happening, 500, it will become 700, it will become 1000, 1200, or you within a minute it will become 5000, 6000. So make sure you are having your stop loss and profit on place before even you are entering into the trade. Make sure if you are seeing the small loss, just take. It's okay even if you take 1000, even if you take 500, just take the loss. Don't just stare at that loss and just make it 5000 or 6000. The 5th is very important point. Trade with only 2 to 3 lots. Don't trade with 5 lots, 10 lots. When you have an expiry, so we might get premium in a less price, so we tend to add 10, 15, 20 lots. This has happened with me as well. So just limit your lots to 2 and 3 when you are having the capital of 25,000, because generally what happens in the expiry, the premium will not increase and market will be maximum time consolidating. So what happens if you are holding the trade, that entire trade can go for a loss. So make sure you are not increasing your loss just because the premium is cheap. Point number 6, record daily entries without fail. So keep this as a journal and enter the daily remarks and the P&L. If it's a loss, just enter minus loss, and make sure remarks you are filling what went wrong today, what kind of trade or what kind of strategy is not working for you. So all this you can mention. Point number 7, again add remarks for every day. I informed you just now. Just keep a track of your all the trades, however that trade is going and however it is helping you. Point number 8, close the system after reaching your ideal profit. So this is a very important point and or a rule, whatever you say, of this trading sheet. So why we are making this Excel sheet and filling it every day? Because we want to understand how we are improving every day, and we are having consistent profit as well as we are compounding it every day, right? So we have to make sure we are not falling into the greedy trap. And if my ideal profit of the day is 950, so once I get the 950 rupees, I'm going to close my system and I'm done for the day. And point number 9 is follow all the rules whatever I have given you strictly. Point number 9 is a very important point among all the points above. So make sure you are following all the rules and making use. So I hope guys this video was helpful for you, and you will download this Excel sheet. Of this Excel sheet, make use of this trading plan, which is very simplified way which I have created, and I'm sure this is going to help you. This is going to boost your self-esteem as well as the risk management, and the way you see the profit and losses. This is going to change your way. At least give a try for 1 month, 2 months, and you yourself will realize the change in you. And don't be over greedy just because you see some random video and they show you the profit of 20,000, 50,000 or 1 lakh. Trust me guys, emotional control is what a trader requires. When you decided to become a full-time trader, emotions is what you need to control first than anything else. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and you will look forward for this Excel sheet, and just comment down for the download of this Excel sheet. Hope you will have an amazing November day, and we meet in the December month with the same kind of trading plan. Probably something different I will plan, and I'll make a video on that as well. So I see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.